This video guides you through replacing the battery in your Toyota HYQ14FBA Smart Key, commonly found in Camry, Corolla, and Avalon models from 2010 to 2023. A low battery can prevent remote locking, unlocking, and starting your vehicle. Replacing it yourself is a straightforward DIY task that saves you money. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful battery replacement. The Toyota HYQ14FBA Smart Key uses a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, usually a CR2032. While HYQ14FBA is proprietary, a generic CR2032 battery works as a substitute in most cases. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the key fob. Working in a static-free environment is ideal. Purchase a replacement battery online or at most auto parts stores. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old battery from its holder. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. You may need to use your pry tool to gently dislodge the battery if it's held in tightly. Dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Avoid touching the circuit board to prevent static discharge damage. Place the new CR2032 battery into the battery holder, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Make sure the battery is securely seated in the holder. Double-check the polarity before reassembling the key fob. Incorrect orientation can prevent the key from working and potentially damage the fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they snap securely. Ensure the rubber seal is properly seated to prevent moisture damage. If your fob has a screw, reinsert and tighten it. Test the key fob's functions, locking, unlocking, and starting your vehicle near the car. If it doesn't work, proceed to the reprogramming section. If your key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, it may need reprogramming. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions. Some newer models integrate with smartphone apps, like Toyota's MyT app, that can guide you through the process. If you're unable to reprogram the key yourself, you may need to visit a dealership. Note that some users have reported needing a firmware reset at the dealership after battery replacement, particularly in high-mileage vehicles. Always double-check the battery polarity before installing the new battery. The positive side must face up, similar to a standard CR2032 lithium coin cell. Avoid touching the circuit board to prevent damage from static electricity. Work in a static-free environment and handle components carefully. Ensure the key fob is properly sealed after reassembly to prevent moisture damage. A damaged seal can shorten the battery life. If you encounter a stuck key blade after reassembly, handle it gently to avoid damage. Jiggle it carefully without forcing it. For hybrid models like the Avalon Hybrid, use shielded tools during the process to avoid electromagnetic interference from the hybrid battery system. While DIY battery replacement is generally successful, be aware that some situations like firmware glitches or reprogramming may require professional assistance at a dealership.